Apple, as you know by now, is set to reveal its first major product in a decade at its annual developers conference this afternoon. Our Deirdre Bosa and Steve Kovac live on the scene. And Dee, let's begin with you. Talk about, I guess, broadly, just what's at stake for the company today.
I mean, you said it before the break, Carl. This is a stock that's trading at all-time highs. But beyond that, this has really been the market leadership. When we talk about the gains, tech has come roaring back, and it's been a handful of those mega caps we now call the Magnificent Seven that have led the market. So what Apple has to do today is really deliver. There's such high expectations, the thing that everyone really cares about. There's a lot that's going to be announced, but it's all about that mixed reality headset. And here, Apple has to do something that that no one else has really been able to do so far, and that is bring such a device into the mainstream. And at a time when Apple's iPhone sales are slowing, this is a new product launch, the first one since 2015, the Apple Watch. Apple has a lot at stake here. It has to deliver. And Tim Cook is going to have to get on the stage and tell us why we need this and why it's mixed reality. Explain sort of for an audience, for a group of consumers, what that means, and maybe some killer apps so that it can bring it to reality why we need these devices, why we are going to want to use them.
And Steve, just to that point, why do you think now Apple is getting into this space, having come after we've already seen kind of a whole hype cycle from Meta on things surrounding the metaverse?
Yeah, well, Mike, what's going on here is they actually laid the groundwork for what we're going to see today. Several years ago, actually, at this very same conference, they kind of made it possible to give developers these tools to make augmented reality apps for the phone. Now, that hasn't had, a runaway success on the phone. There aren't too many apps that use it in a unique way. Pokemon Go might be the one exception. But the vision that Apple always had from the last 4, 5, or 6 years was that augmented reality is going to enable a lot more creativity, a lot more kind of app development. And it's really this kind of device that can unlock what they really have been wanting to do that you just simply can't do on a phone. As far as the financial opportunity, look, we keep talking about how this thing is expected to cost thousands of dollars, while the ones from Meta cost $1,000 or a couple $100. So, but you also got to keep in mind that it's still going to be tiny compared to the iPhone. The iPhone is still the heart and center of the company. That's where most of the revenue comes from. And this is just going to be a sliver of that for the time being, Mike.
Meantime, Dee, there's the added question on whether or not they say anything about AI, as the market's obviously in love with that story and wonders if Apple has a strategy or if they're just being patient as they can afford to be.
Yeah, the market in love with that story, maybe even an understatement. They've been obsessed with this story all year, and we haven't heard a lot from Apple. So some investors hope at least that we're going to get a little bit more on that front. Ming-Chi Kuo, which is a noted Apple analyst, he was tweeting ahead of this event today that in the long term, one of the key success factors to such a device, a mixed reality device, is whether it can integrate highly with artificial intelligence. He also says that investors have recently been more interested in this generative AI push than it has been a headset. So we'll see today if maybe Apple can combine the two or even just give investors anything on the AI front, how iPhone users are going to be able to use a ChatGPT-like service.